don't know if the GoPro shows it, but that's pretty steep. This is nothing but gravel. I'm tired. Well, I think I'm roughly at like around 11,000 feet. I think I've got a few hundred feet more vertically before I get to the top. I can tell you one thing, I'll be getting down real fast. This is the way I came up. Kill me now. That view's great, but dang, man. I am beat. I'm gonna make it. I'm tired and I'm really fatigued, I think, mainly because of altitude. Like, I can't go very far without my heart beating really hard. And I have to stop and wait for it to calm down a bit again. Now, I've heard other people, but I have not seen them. This little breeze right now is just wonderful. I see cars down there. So, if somebody has binoculars down there, they should be able to see me, providing they have enough power in the binoculars. Because, I mean, I am wearing bright orange and yellow. But, I am facing them. But I guess I should get going and try and finish this crappy ascent. I'm so tired. I see another lake. I wonder if that's Crystal Lake. I'm so tired. I hate this pass. It's been a heck of a climb. It's a little after 1 now, but I think I'm nearly at the ridge line. I mean, yeah. Man, this is definitely the hard part. I would hate to be here in an earthquake. Small cornice over there. kidding me. Aren't I at the top yet? Well, I see tarns. Is that the top right there? Is that the top?
Yep. It's all downhill from here. You start from Trailhead?
What's that?
You start from the Trailhead?
Yeah.
Great. That means I can finish it today. I was planning on finishing Sunday. 8 miles.
Getting up here's a...
It's a real bitch.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
It's good from here though. It's all down.
Yeah, well,
3 stings night.
I'm going back tonight.
What you doing?
I'm doing a training hike, a final training hike before my backpack trip at the end of the month.
Yeah?
Full dress rehearsal, long distance, high altitude and elevation.
Holy shit, where are you going?
I'm section hiking the JMT.
Nice. And you're gonna do the whole 27 miles?
No,
Wait, sorry, what's your
no, I was gonna go to Columbine Lake
oh, okay.
and then go back, but I'm just so stinking tired right now.
That's Columbine Lake, right down there.
Yeah, I know it's like 0.2 miles away.
Yeah, all you need to do is climb back up. Another bitch. But that's it.
I was thinking about leaving my pack here and getting water down there, but I don't know if the marmots will go after it.
No, I haven't seen any marmots up here, to be
I
honest.
saw them down below.
Oh yeah. Oh, on my way up, I didn't see any of them.
Oh, okay.
Nothing. Yeah.
Well, at least I'm finally at the flipping top.
The closest you can get water, see that snowfield like right in front of us? There's a nice little stream coming down.
Okay.
Really, so if you don't want to go all the way down, you can get water down there.
That sounds good because I'm starting to run low now.
Okay.
And I haven't taken this pack off since the trailhead, so now I'm going to feel like I'm going to fly.
Well, welcome to the top.
Thank you. Finally here. I thought I was never going to make it.
What time did you start?
I hit the trail at about 8 o'clock.
Okay, that's a good time. That's a good time.
That was a good time for this?
Yeah. Yeah. I started this morning from Big Five Lakes at 7:30 when I got to here. So that's a good halfway point, I guess. What, 6 miles?
Yeah, about 6
Oh,
miles.
What time is it?
It's almost 3.
Oh wow. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I estimated I would be here sometime between 12 and 2.
Yeah, it should have been like 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours.
Yeah, and then I got a little sidetracked because of all these stupid trails, and I went off on another track for a little ways, and of course I'm not acclimated either.
Yeah.
Which I always, whenever I start my backpack trips, I do 2 days of acclimation at least 9 or 10,000 feet.
Yeah. Yeah. What's Mineral King at the trailhead?
It's at, what's it at? Let me look.
Actually, I can check.
It's, well, I know from there, I think the elevation here is 11,700.
Yeah.
And it's like 4,315 feet elevation gain. So.
Yeah, it's about 8,000, 79.
Yeah.
Right around there.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, so you had a long day.
Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, I did not expect that ascent to take me that long.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have if I hadn't, you know, taken that.
And detours.
Yeah, detour. But yeah, the acclimation, and oh my goodness, because I know I'm in good shape.
Yeah.
I know I am.
Yeah.
But because I just did a 16.5 mile hike that, let's see, how much elevation gain was it? I think it was 2,300, which wasn't that much, but it was a long day.
when you do it in GMT?
I'm gonna be going up to acclimate on August 29th, and then hitting the trail the 31st, and I'm gonna do 2 1-week legs. We'll be in a week and then come out for like a day and a half and resupply and rest, and then go back in. Oh fudge! I see Chris down there. Get off. Running. Oh boy. Woo! believe it or not, this is not the trail. It's just where the people have done some speed running down. I already can't see the top.